Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to recover deleted story on Instagram. We start by opening Instagram, and then click on the drop-down menu of Settings and Activity. Next, click on the Your Activity option. Here we click on the Recently Deleted option. After that, we will see the stories that we have deleted, and that will be permanently deleted after the number of days that appear. To recover it, first click on it, and then on the 3 options points. After this, click on the Restore option and confirm the action. Finally, we will have our story recovered and it will appear again in the profile. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.